Hi guys, one of the reasons why you are not getting enough views on your videos is because you are not using your end screens and your cards properly. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can strategically position your YouTube cards and your YouTube end screens in a way that you start getting massive views on all your videos. Now I understand many of you may have been using YouTube cards and YouTube end screen, and some of you may have not started at all. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it in a different and unique way that will help you start getting enough views across all your videos. So for beginners, this is a good video for you to learn how to put cards on your videos and how to put end screens at the end of your videos. But for those that are already using it, this video will also help you, enlighten you, give you ways you can position it and get massive views. So if this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit on that subscribe button and enjoy more tips on how to grow and monetize your YouTube channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
Okay, so open your browser. All right, you can use a mobile phone or a PC for this. Open your browser and go to studio.youtube.com. okay, if you are using mobile phone, I have a separate guide for that. It will be top right corner of your screen. So your studio dashboard is going to open like this. So what you want to do next is to go to content. You can see content on the left hand side. So that's where you have access to all your videos, and then you select the one you want to add your cards and end screen. So these are my content, and I'm going to select this particular video right here. Okay, I'm going to click on it. So just select the video, click on the video, and it's going to open like this. So you are selecting the video you want to add your cards and end screen to. So I want to add to this one. So just check the right hand side. Okay, you are going to see the information about the video like this, but just look to the right. You can see end screen and cards. All right, so for me, let's start with the end screen. Okay, so select end screen. So this is going to come up. All right, and you need to pay attention now. This is called end screen because you want to suggest some of your videos to your viewers at the end of that particular video they are watching. So you're going to drag the cursor towards the end, let's say a minute before the end of that video. Okay, then come up here, you can see elements, click on elements. So you're going to have a drop down list. Okay, you can see video. What do you want to suggest? Is it a video or a playlist? You can see, or you can even put a subscribe button for them, or a channel, or a link. But in my own case, I want to add a video. So click on video. I am going to see it here. Okay, it has dropped a box up here for you. You can see. So in that box now, you are going to either allow YouTube to select your most recent upload and put it in that box, or you allow YouTube to choose the best video for viewers, or you just select a video by yourself. I usually go for the last option. I usually choose the video by myself. Okay, so I'll select on that and select, I'll choose that and select a video I want. So I'll just go ahead and select this particular video. Okay, so as you can see, it's right there on that box. So once you have that, if you just want to put just one video, you can leave it like this and save. But for me, I want to put 4. So I'll still go back and click on elements, click on video, the same procedure, and you have another box added up there. Then I'll still scroll down and select the third option that I want to choose a specific video. Okay, you can see all the options, but I'll go for the last option. I want to choose a specific video by myself. So I'll just scroll and choose another video. Let me see. Okay, let me choose this one. I'll select it, and as you can see, it has replaced the box. I'll go again, click on element, video, and then same process, select specific video. and I'll still choose another video of mine. So when the viewer is almost done with the video, is watching, those this video I'm selecting are going to be suggested to that particular viewer. Okay, so I'll also add another one. So I just want to have 4 different videos being suggested. So I'll select the 4th one, and you can see the 4 videos are complete. So they are going to show these videos a minute to the end of this particular video. Okay, so after doing all of that, just go ahead and click save. Ensure you have the videos that are related to that particular content you created. Okay, the reason why people use end screen and they don't get the results they want is because they create a video about, let's say, food, and then they are adding end screen about videos talking about maybe football. They are unrelated and they will not get the result they need. So click on save once you are done adding related videos. Okay, click on save and let's check it out. So let me play the video. So I'll just go ahead and click on the video, and then it's going to open. So the end screen is towards the end, so I'll just drag it all the way to the end, and you can see this is it. So you can see they can just go ahead and click on any of them they are interested in watching. It's as simple as that. So if you are confused at this stage, just go back again and watch from the beginning of this tutorial again. You are going to understand. So we are done with end screen. Let's go to cards. So just click on it. Click on cards and it's going to open just like this. So the process is almost the same. Okay, but the cards will be shown top right corner. Okay, so let me just show you. So just drag the cursor to the point you want the first card to show. So for me, I'll put the first card at the first minute. Okay, so just drag it there and then click on the plus icon. This plus icon, just tap on it and these options will come up again. So I want to put a video, select a video. Okay, well, if you want to put a channel playlist, just select it accordingly. Then I'll choose any video I want again, and you can see how it is up there. You can see that's just a preview of how it's going to look like. So let me go ahead and add more cards. So let's say at before 3 minutes. So I'll just place the cursor there again and then click on cards up there, select video, and then I'll choose another video I want to have there again. Let me choose this one again, and you can see the preview up there also. And I'll go to another time frame again, just like that. It's as simple as that. Once you get to the time frame you want to add a card, just select and then go to card, tap on it, select video, and then choose the video you want to have up there. So I'll just scroll down and then let's say this particular one. Yes, I'll choose it. Then I can add one more. It's not necessary for you to have many videos. You can just add one. It can just be one card. You can just add 2. So you can add any number you want. Okay, but it's not reasonable for you to have a lot of cards just flowing everywhere. So make it moderate. So I have 4. Okay, and I think this is fine. So once you have it like that, go ahead and click on save. Ensure you position them strategically. Okay, and then click on save and then wait for it to save. So ensure you have videos that are related to what you are talking about. Okay, so let's see if what we did actually worked. So this is the video playing. So let me move it to the first minute so we can see if the card is going to show. Okay, okay, let me just drag it there. So it should show up any moment from now. That is it up here, that is it up there. Okay, so it actually worked. So it's as simple as that. That's how you can add cards to your videos. When you add cards to all your videos, you are going to start getting more views than you used to get. So the next card should be up very soon. That is it up there. You can see the next card. So it's going to be suggested like this while the viewer is watching that video, and from there the person can click on it if interested and go and watch. That's more views for you. So if 1,000 people clicks on your card or end screen, that means you're having extra 1,000 views. You can see the third one, you can see. So it's going to be suggested like that, and once they click on it, it gives you more views and more watch hours. So it's as simple as that, as simple as that.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this was helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Also share with your friends so they can also learn how to put cards and end screens on their videos. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.